Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we were working on the engineering project Han Builders, that what will be expense reporting, and the required objective or goal was that for example we have a cash, something like petty cash register here. So we will enter expenses on daily basis, and automatically Excel will accumulate all the expenses according to their accounts which is involved in basically there, and the list of accounts is right here. As we can add them, inshallah I will tell you regarding this thing, as well as we will post the totalized entries for each month. Here is the list of the months. So first of all we will start with the problem that we will here use FDL. One method was FDL, that was the parameter which we will inshallah pass, and the second was exam. So both of the parameters will be used here. Let's try the method. For example, is equal to if suppose first of all we will check that whether the account entry is empty or not. If it is empty, then automatically it will show empty. If it is not empty, then what will happen? It will automatically generate a sum product, which will be a boolean logic once again, and the boolean logic will say that if FDL is equal to, and again I'm telling you that FDL was the parameter which we a while before we created that, and if FDL is equal to this specific cell, so automatically what will happen, it will close the bracket and it will convert into something boolean logic, and then we will multiply by what? Multiply by exam, as we have the list of arguments there, exam. So that was a quite a simple method which we have used here. For example, it says that food will have what? It will have 2200. For example, let me enter another date. For example, on this very specific date, and very sorry, it was something unpredictable. So on this specific date, wages. For example, I paid wages amounting, sorry, it should not be there, wages, and expense amount was 1000, and the voucher number was 102. And voucher, as you know, that voucher is a documentary proof of a transaction which occurs in an accounting system. So on this very specific date, let me try some other accounts. Like for example, we bought some petrol, purchased some petrol for rupees 2300, and the voucher number was 103. As we cannot duplicate voucher numbers, it was 101 and 11. So we can see that petrol entry has been here. It is dynamic in the sense that, for example, if we enter a new account, and the new account was something like bonus. For example, if an worker is working quite well, so we will give him a bonus. For example, on this very specific bonus, we paid a bonus. We paid a bonus. To whom have we paid? We paid a bonus of rupees 1000 and 103. Regarding the details of to whom it was paid, we will inshallah discuss in the next chapter, because there will be an employee wage as well as labor wage and labor bonuses. What about these months? Let's discuss this month. So we can have all the entries which occur in the month of May. They should be accumulated, they should be totalized in the month of May right here, and all those entries beyond these things, like for example if it occurs in January, February, March, April, so according to their months it will automatically totalize them here, accumulate them here. So how can we transfer these things? There are mainly two problems. Number first, we have not entered the name of the month, it is a total date. First of all, we will have to extract the name of the month, and then according to that same month, for example I will say that if the month inside this date is January, then total all those entries which are posing right here. So if the entries are not posing the month of January, so automatically it will not be here because it is not true. So inshallah for the next part we will see that what will happen to the totalizing of engineering project, or in engineering project regarding the statements, and it is only just a sheet of engineering project totalizing dynamic expenses. And thank you so much for the lecture, inshallah. And the next lecture we will discuss that how we will totalize these things in this month. Thank you.